Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Trezor Safe 3. First, unbox your device and connect it to your computer. Then, visit Trezor. Start in your web browser to begin the initial setup process. Make sure to install the Trezor Suite application on your desktop. It's essential for securely managing your cryptocurrency and device settings. This application provides a user-friendly interface for all your transactions. Next, you'll either create a new wallet or recover an existing one using your recovery seed phrase. It's crucial to set a strong PIN directly on your Trezor Safe 3 device for enhanced security. Remember to carefully write down your 12-word or 24-word recovery seed phrase. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so keep it safe and offline, away from prying eyes.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your life so much easier. You can find the link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Once your device is set up, use Trezor Suite to securely view all your cryptocurrency balances. To receive funds, simply generate a new receiving address within the Trezor Suite application and share it with the sender. When sending cryptocurrency, carefully enter the recipient's address and the desired amount. Always double-check all transaction details before confirming on your Trezor Safe 3. For an extra layer of security, consider enabling passphrase protection on your Trezor Safe 3. It adds a hidden wallet, making your funds even more secure. Regularly check for and install firmware updates to ensure your device has the latest security enhancements. Always back up your recovery seed in multiple secure, offline locations, like a fireproof safe, to protect against any unforeseen circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.